Python program for jumble word. In this program we are going to mix up the word in confused way, or in other words you can say that untidy way. For example, if we consider say simple word, say yum C E O. So it is what? It is a mix up word of come, and we require one player to play this game. If he identifies, or he or she identifies the word, then he will earn a points say 10. Otherwise he or she will lose 10 points. Okay, so we are going to code this. We are going to use Python program to mix up the word in unconfused way, and then user has to identify what is the original word. So for that, sorry, we require, first we are going to store some word in our dictionary. So we are going to define a function, say define, or first of all we want to import random, then define function, say choose, then create a dictionary, say dict is equal to array of, say, some words like mathematics, then other words, say computer, then say algebra, take one more word, say calculus, take one more word, say Python, take one more word, programming, so now we are going to mix up this word in untidy ways, and user has to identify that word. Okay. So now this is a dictionary. Now we are going to select random word. So word is equal to, by using the random dot choice from dictionary, and return word. So now if you call function, say function from say choose, print, then we get random word from the dictionary, and we print that word here. So if you run this, okay, now you can see here the word mathematics. We got mathematics word one more times. If we run Python word, so it select randomly word from dictionary. Now you can see calculus. If we run one more times, say programming, so every times we print a random word from dictionary. Now we want to jumble this word. So for that, we want to jumble this word by using, say pick is equal to then is equal to random dot sample, say the we return from word. So we want to assume here pick is equal to choose. Sorry, first we want to assume pick is equal to say choose, and then for mix we use the variable mix for random dot sample, given we select we the chosen word is saved in pick, so pick, and want to mix word for length of the given word, so is length pick. Now if you print this mix, print mix, okay, I want to clear. So now, okay, you can see here it is what it gives the word mathematics with in jumble ways, in confused way, mix up way. Okay, so this is the word mathematics. Now you can also join this word. Just write down here join dot join, and we want to join what we want to join here, single inverted comma. So join single inverted comma, just write down here join single inverted comma. Now you can see if you run one more times, now this is the word Python. This is what word Python, but it gives in a confused way. This word is giving print here in confused way. One more times if you run, now this is the word what programming. Now we are going to now we want a player. So sorry, player, say player is equal to input, enter your name, enter name. Okay, now take n is equal to integer 1, and while point, we require point also. Say initially we assume point is equal to 1. We are going to use n for while loop. If it is a true, if user press 1, then again computer will give him one mix up word. Okay, so while n is equal to 1, then this pick the word, mix the given word, and print the given word. Okay, so here identify, here write the message identify word. This message will display here, identify the given word. So now if he enters, now say input is equal to your take here guess, word is what, guess is equal to input. Okay, now we are going to check whether if guess is equal to pick, then print the message congratulations, your guess is correct. Your guess is correct. Now, and point is equal to, in that case point is equal to, point will increase, point plus 10. Now else print the message good luck next time your answer is wrong. Okay, so in that case player will lose 10 points. Point minus 10. Okay. So now finally we want to display his score. So print now we want to write here, we want to select n from n is equal to, say n is equal to, do you want to continue in integer input, do you want to continue, want to continue, no, press 1, press 1. Okay, if you want to continue, press 1. So now finally we are going to print the score. So your score is equal to what? Your score is equal to say point. Now if we run this, we want to clear the previous output, clear. So now if you run, enter your name, say my name is say ABC, identify word, it is what? Computer, COMPUTER, computer. Congratulations, your guess is correct. Do you want to continue? Press 1. No, I don't want to continue. So your score is what? 11. Why it is 11? Point is equal to 0. We want to make here point is what? 0, not 1. So point is 0. Now you may press 1. Then we want want to design this. Please enter your name here, enter your name. After this we want new line, so just print new line here. Then again after this word we want again new line, print. Then do you want to continue? After do you want to continue, we want again one more new line, print. Here before congratulations we require new line, print. So now now you can see output now. So enter your name, say my name is say ABC. Okay, now identify word, it is programming. Okay, so congratulations, your guess is correct. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Identify word, it is calculus. Okay, congratulations. Now I don't want to continue, so if you press any word, congratulations, your score is 20. So now we are going to call one player. Please come here. Now what you want to do here, you want here is in this program we are going to mix up some word, and you want to identify this word. Word is mixed up in tidy way. Actually I am going to hide this program first. Say I want this console is maximum. Now if you identify word, you will get 10 marks, otherwise you will lose 10 marks. Okay, so now enter your name. Okay, now identify this word. What is this word? Yes, can you guess? Ming. Okay, right, type this word. Okay, enter. Congratulations, your guess is correct. Okay, so now suppose we want to continue here. Now suppose this word say A B C. Now it is incorrect choice. Good luck next time. So if you print, your score is 0, because here for first guess it is correct, so we point is equal to 10. Now next time our choice is wrong, so again it's 10 minus 10 is what, 0, and score is what, 0. So now hope you understood this program, jumble word program. I am displaying it again. These are the, we import the library import equal to random, then we define some words in dictionary, then we select some word from dictionary, randomly word from dictionary, return word, then here player name, here new line. This is for while loop, initially point is 0. If the condition is true, we are going to our loop will continue. Now we select one word from function, the function choose, then we join mix up and join that word, then new line, and we print that word, mix up word or tidy word, and we now here player has to identify the mix up word. He enters here. Now if our guess is equal to pick, then he will the message will display and he will get 10 points. Otherwise the message good luck next time, and he will lose 10 points. Now if he enters 1, then again it is continue. Again one word is selected from dictionary, and again the same process. If he enters other words than 1, then it this will out from the while loop, and finally we display the player score here. Okay, thank you.